Hello again and welcome to East TV. Today our Head of Market Analysis, Martin Smith, joins me, Jessica Gao, to give you an update on our latest asset and equipment finance report. Martin, what can you tell us about the current forecast for equipment and finance needs?
Yeah, well, survey results from direct interviews with 1,500 businesses involved with financing their assets finds that demand over the upcoming year has contracted slightly.
Yep.
So last year they were expecting demand to increase by roughly 8.5%. That's now dropped to 6.5%.
Okay.
So given business credit is currently looking at around 2-3% growth, that is obviously very optimistic. But yeah, by and large, definitely falling back there.
Okay, interesting. And what are some of the underlying factors driving that demand?
Yeah, really, cash flow needs is the key driver.
Yep.
Over 3/4 of all businesses cite that as their main driver in terms of accessing asset and equipment financing. Also, 1/3 are just looking to remove assets from the balance sheet. Also, a third are basically addressing older equipment and aged assets there.
And we're seeing this as an ongoing trend, basically.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And some of the providers who are gaining ground in the market.
Yeah, well, really, in terms of customer churn, the larger the business size, the more inclined customers are to look around. So really they're driven by price, and that's not a surprise given the current low interest rate environment, but also a simpler credit approval process is one of the major factors cited there in terms of provider choice there. But we definitely see Commonwealth Bank looking to cross-sell into their dominant transaction banking relationship base. They account for 25% of all primary transaction banking relationships. NAB looking to sell into their very dominant primary lending relationship base there. They account for over 1/4 of all primary lending relationships. But by and large, GE still very prominent there, particularly amongst micro and business and SME segments. And then also looking to build off its prominent mindshare piece there. A lot of businesses, when they're asked who do they think of for asset and equipment financing, think of GE first. So that's where the banks are finding it difficult in terms of increasing their market share. But yeah, definitely a lot of interesting trends playing out there, particularly in light of today's RBA decision to drop interest rates, the overnight cash rate to 2%.
Yeah, well, very interesting. And thank you for your time, and we look forward to catching you next time on East TV.